Why does your company need workforce alchemists? I mean, what's in it for your company? Because people either solve business problems or create new ones, it starts there. Workforce alchemists begin their step-by-step process of positive transformation and attempt to solve a wide range of business problems before they even occur. Jim Collins, in his best-selling book, Good to Great, said the most important thing any business can do is get the right people onto the bus and get them into the right seats. Unfortunately, Collins didn't offer the specific tools or the training businesses needed to do it. Look, all businesses want to hire the best and avoid the worst ones. They all want to retain rather than replace their top talent prematurely or unnecessarily. And they all want to do everything they can in the meantime to eliminate anything and everything that keeps their people from performing their jobs to the best of their ability. Want to reduce employee turnover as well as the kind of drama and conflict that kills productivity? Simply hire, develop, and retain people who match up well against their jobs and supervisors. Want to reduce employee theft and workers' comp costs? Well, just hire, develop, and retain honest people who won't steal, fake injuries, or cover for other people who do. Want to reduce things like absenteeism, overtime costs, and labor costs? Then hire, develop, and retain people with a work ethic. Look, some businesses can do some of these things, but almost none of them are good at all of them. They're doing the best they can with what they have and what they know, but it isn't enough. You need specific tools that you don't have. You need specific training you've never received. You need strategies and best practices that you've never even heard about. So, glad to help, and thanks for visiting.